Dad loved making stuff out of old stuff, so give it a new life. I'm Tony McMillan. This is the Antman made by me dad, Tony McMillan, formerly known as Nicko. A lot of this gear we picked up on stock routes and as kids, made to go and help pick it all up, and I think he just wanted to show us kids that you could make anything out of anything and just do it. Antman is made out of a 185 fuel tank off a Suzuki, a Chev headlight for a head with an old safety helmet and an old spray pack that they used to use in the old days, and tie rod ends off a Ford, and feet as tines off an old machinery. The inspiration behind Antman was an old bloke known by Paul Jarnett over town. He used to do a lot of chemical poisoning around Mungindi. Dad got to know him pretty well, and this was his sculpture of him.